In this tutorial, we are going to see the sum of terms of an AV. The question that we have here, it says that find the sum of 3 over 4, 2 over 3, 7 over 12 up to 19 terms. So therefore, we are to find what? The sum of 3 over 2, 3 over 4, 2 over 3, 7 over 12 up to what? Up to 19 terms. So therefore, if you are to count, we are to count it up to what? 19 terms. So in order to find it easy, so therefore we have to use the sum of terms of an AV. There is a general formula that we have. S of n, it is equals to what? Is equals to 1 over 2 of n into a 2a plus n minus 1 into what? Into d. This is the general formula of what? Of finding the sum of terms of an AV. So therefore I have to first find the first term and what? And the common difference. So therefore the first term, which is a, it is equal to 3 over what? Over 4. And therefore the second terms, which is what? The second term, which is a2, it will be equals to what? 2 over 3. And therefore the common difference, we are to say that a2 minus a1, it gives us what? Common difference. So therefore the common difference, it will be equals to a2 minus a1. So therefore a2, which is 2 over 3, minus what? A1, which is 3 over what? 3 over 4. And therefore the LCM, which is 12. And therefore 12 into 3, which is 4, 4 times 2, which is 8. And therefore 12 into 4, which is 3, 3 times 3, which is 9. And therefore minus what? Minus 9, it will be equals to minus what? Minus 1 over 12. So therefore this is what? This is the common difference that we have. So therefore we have to substitute the value s of what? S of 19, it will be equals to 1 over 2 multiplied by what? Multiplied by n. What is the value of what? The value of n, which is what? The 19 term. So therefore this will be equals to what? 19 over what? 2. Because to 1 multiplied by 19, it will be equals to what? 19, and then divided by 2. And therefore 2 multiplied by what? 2 multiplied by the first term, which is a, 2 multiplied by 3 over 4. Therefore it will be equals to 6 over 4. So therefore we have 6 over 4. And therefore we have positive sign, open bracket, the value of n, which is 19, 19 minus 1, it will be equals to 18, and therefore into d, which is minus 1 over 12. So therefore, as you can see, 2 can go here 2 times, and 2 can go here 3 times, and the s of 19, it will be equals to 19 over 2, 3 over what? 3 over 2 plus what? Plus 18 minus what? Minus 1 over what? Minus 1 over 12 plus bracket. So we are going to find the value of what? Of S19. It means what? The sum of what? The sum of 19 terms. So therefore this will be actually equals to S of 19, it will be equals to, if I multiply minus 1 over 12 multiplied by 12, I will end up having what? Let's say 19 over 2, open bracket, 3 over 2 plus what? I will end up with what? Negative 18 over what? Negative 18 over 12. Yeah. So the next thing to do is that I have positive sign here, and also here I have what? I have negative sign. So the s of 19, it will be equals to, if I say 19, okay, let me first simplify this. 19 over 2 bracket 3 over 2 minus what? Minus 18 over what? Minus 18 over 12. So therefore the LCM between 2 and 12, it will be equals to what? The LCM is what? Is 12. So therefore 12 into 2, which is 6, and 6 multiplied by 3, which is what? Which is equals to 18, minus 12 into 12, which is 1. 1 multiplied by 18, it will be equals to what? 18 again. So therefore the s of 19, it will be equals to 19 over 2 bracket 18 minus 18 over what? Over 12. And therefore it will be equals to 19 divided by 2 over what? Okay, sorry. Multiplied by what? 0 over 12. Yeah. So therefore automatically 19 over 2 multiplied by what? 0 over what? 0 over 12. Automatically it is what? 0. So therefore the s of what? The sum of what? 19. The sum of what? These numbers up to 19 times, it will be equals to what? 0. So therefore this is the final solution to this problem.